Hello, I'm Steve, this is Bit of Munch, and today I'm trying Myprotein Indian Banquet, which, judging by the picture, looks really good. We'll find out if it actually is in a minute. This was £4.75 or 2 for £8, and I took advantage of the offer. I bought another one in this range, which you will see at some point. I've only ever reviewed one product from this range before, and that was a pizza, which really wasn't very good at all. In fact, my overall experience of high protein meals isn't very good. But yeah, there's a lot of new products in this Myprotein range, so I thought I'd give them a go. And as I said, the picture looks excellent. Will it come out looking like that? We'll find out. Right, it says high in protein, low in fat, low in saturated fat, source of fibre, low in sugars. Cooked marinated chunks of chicken breast in a mildly spiced Tikka Masala sauce with cooked yellow rice and a gunpowder spiced vegetable mix with sweetener. Now, you've actually got 32% chicken in this, which is a high percentage for a meal like this. And, you know, if it's got as much as it shows on the picture there, it should be really good. And looking at this, it does look like a decent amount of chicken, doesn't it? Right, so as I said, 32% chicken, 22% rice, and the veg in this, you've got grilled potato, spinach, 6%, onion, red pepper 3.5%, peas, green pepper and chopped tomatoes. And then absolutely loads, and I mean loads, of herbs and spices. Have a look on the Iceland website, you'll see how many are in this thing. I mean, I'll try to show you, but it won't focus. Yeah, have a look on the website and you'll see there's loads. Right, you can do this in the microwave or in the oven. Takes 12.5 minutes in the microwave, which is quite a long time. Or 40 minutes in the oven. So, yeah, I'm microwaving this. I'm not putting this in the oven. Right, what else can I tell you? I don't think I can tell you anything else. No, that's about it. So, let's find out if it's as good as it looks on the picture. Right, it's done. So, expectation, reality. I think that looks pretty good. I think that looks very close to the picture. What do you think? The strange thing is about the smell is most of the smell I'm getting is the veg mix. It's just got an overall veggie smell with hints of tikka masala in the background. Right, one thing I will tell you about the rice, it says on the instructions to add water halfway through, or just over halfway through. I didn't do that. I added water right from the beginning. Someone mentioned to me recently that that was a good thing to do with meals like this. So that's what I've done. Let's see if it's worked. The rice did come out a bit sort of clumpy, but I've broken it up with a fork. So let's give it a go. Well, there's nothing wrong with the texture of it whatsoever. However, the flavour is another matter. Because flavour? What flavour? Yeah, there is hardly any flavour to that rice whatsoever. At least it's a good texture. Right, gunpowder veg. Now, gunpowder, you expect it to be really spicy, don't you? So let's find out if it is. Nice big old bit of spinach there. It tastes really nice. It's very, very, very mildly spiced. Potatoes are a little on the soft side, but nothing much. But I do like the taste of it. Again, it's quite a mild taste, but yeah, it's just mildly spiced mixed vegetables, which is very pleasant. Nothing wrong with that at all. Right, now the chicken. There is loads of chicken with this. Look at all that chicken. How many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 decent sized pieces and one little tiny piece. So, let's see if I can cut it with my fork, first of all. No. I'll have to put it down. Well, that seemed a bit tough. Okay, let's try it. No, it's not as tough as I expected, actually. Perhaps I was cutting across the grain of the meat, if you know what I mean. A little dry, but nothing much. The sauce is very mild, but it's Tikka Masala. Right, let's try one other bit of chicken. And see if I can, if I can. No, I'll just have to put it down, won't I? Should have cut up a couple of bits in advance, really. I quite often do that, but I didn't this time. So, there's another bit of chicken. That's definitely better. Okay, so a bit of everything together, and then the overall verdict. Myprotein Indian Banquet. It's all right. Excuse me. There's nothing really outstanding about it. The veg makes it a bit more interesting than your run of the mill ready meal curry. I'd say the spice level is building up a little bit, but nothing that much. It's just all right. Yeah. Would I buy it again for that price? No, I wouldn't. So £4.75 or 2 for £8, so that's £4 that meal. It's decent enough. You know, I'll sit down and eat the rest of that and enjoy it, but after I've eaten it all, I won't be rushing back to Iceland to buy another one. You know, I won't put it on my list for my next Iceland trip. Okay, interesting one that. As usual, with high protein meals, it's a bit underwhelming. Okay, I bought another one in the range, so we'll find out what that one's like soon. Yeah, nothing much else to say about that. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.